Welcome back to another one of our adventure, guys. This time we happen to be at the most magical place in Earth, the Magic Kingdom. And in this video, guys, we have something special. We got something for our plus size friends, or just like me, right? What we're gonna do in this video, we're gonna attempt to do as many rides as I can, as the park closes in less than 3 hours. And we just basically want to show you how the seating aspect is, show you how comfortable it could possibly be, even though Disney is very comfortable or fits a lot of the plus sizes. Disney is known by fitting a lot of the body types, which is awesome. But a lot of people, I discover a lot of people suffer from anxiety because if they never been here, they don't know what to expect. So the goal is to clarify anything, any doubt that you guys can possibly have. So we're gonna try, like I mentioned, to do at least a few of the popular rides. And if not, we're gonna continue to come back and do other rides on and on and on. So I hope you guys are ready, because this is gonna be really packed of information. But if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventure, where our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Magic Kingdom and any other theme parks in Florida. With that said, consider becoming part of our family by simply
subscribe.
And also
by smashing that like button
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. Hey Karen,
Yes.
funny story. I know it has nothing to do with rides or plus size video, but recently Disney made a change for the characters where the meet and greet, so you can now hug them and get an autograph.
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse here used to be like 5 minutes or less all the time.
Right.
We just walked in front of it, and how long is the wait?
70 minutes.
70 minutes since that change happened. So be ready, guys. And Tinkerbell is not even there yet. So just be ready. Just be ready. So if you've never been here in Magic Kingdom,
Yeah. Me, I've never been.
or you might have gained weight and you're concerned about you riding rides, which ride would you suggest that we start with then?
I would say Space Mountain.
Space Mountain
Yeah.
should be one of people's favorite around the Magic Kingdom.
It is. I think the one of the one of the favorites.
All right, so before we move forward to try Space Mountain, I just want to talk to you about my dimension. Fireworks are going on. So I'm around 340 pounds. I wear shirts 2X to 3X. My waistline is about 46 inches. I carry most of my weight over on my belly and on my hips and my thighs. So anything that has a lap bar or like and it's narrow on your hip, I struggle with. So this one, I think I should be okay. Mine train, I know it has been uncomfortable in the past. So let's check them out. And if you're watching our videos for the first time, I can guarantee you right now that 50 minutes that says over there, it is not gonna be 50 minutes. But there's only one way to prove it, and it's doing it the Cool Case Adventure way, which is timing it. So we're gonna find out now. We are finding this out, people. Is it 50 minutes or is it less? I assure you that this is the first time that we're stopping. How long do we have over here?
A minute.
We are a minute. Okay, so let's see. Really quick, want to give you guys an update. So if you happen to be on a wheelchair, you must be able to transfer, as you can see over there. Also, at this point of the line, where we are, Karen, on time?
At 16 minutes.
16 minutes. I said we have maybe 10 to 15 more minutes to go. So we gotta go that way. This side over here happens to be line and lane. but those you have to get early because like tonight, the line in Lena Vela was almost at 11 o'clock. And I'm gonna show you the vehicle. As you can see, you gotta be able to sit down low. It is a lap bar. It is very low, look at that. So if you have problem standing up from a low position, that may be troublesome for a few people, including myself, because I had knee problems. A knee problem and a hamstring, you see? And we're legit about to board at 29 minutes. 29 minutes. And there's no line anymore. Look at this. At 29 minutes.
Rock and roll.
Right? So we're about to board.
You were recording that?
Soon. About to board soon. And we asked the question, which seats have the most leg room?
And they said
2 and 3. 2 and 3. So here we go. Just want to show you that it has a lap bar. And here we are. As you can see, you put the lap bar down. My feet is already pressed all the way to the end. I could basically touch that blue section over there. That's where my foot is at. Kyla's foot is all the way down there.
Yes.
There you go. You gotta push the lap bar. There you go. And it actually goes right here in the middle. It is comfortable.
Your loose items are secure.
Bye. And off we go. This is a very dark ride, so you're not gonna be able to see much other than this. All right, family, we legit survived.
That's hilarious.
Sheesh, I haven't done this in a while, and I already know why. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. I gotta tell you something though. I feel like getting out, it was harder.
It's hard to get out of.
The getting into the actual,
Yeah.
I guess, coaster, whatever you want to call this thing.
Yeah.
But yeah.
It was uncomfortable to get out.
Yeah, I mean, the whole ride, it wasn't as uncomfortable.
No.
But you can tell that, I mean, if you're getting like me, who can care less anymore about roller coasters, I'm like, I can pass. I don't have to do this all the time.
Right.
I did it for you guys. Just for you guys. That's how much I love you guys. And we decided to do 7 Dwarf Mine Train simply because it's how long, Karen?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. And,
This is hardly ever 45 minutes.
well, people were watching the fireworks, so,
Yes.
and you can tell that now they're coming back, so.
So if you're coming on multiple days, one day watch the fireworks, one day try to hit the busy nights.
Good advice, my friend. Now you're timing it, right?
Of course.
Of course. Don't forget that. This is a Cool Case Adventures way. All right, so we have finally stopped at 2 minutes, 29 seconds right over here before we actually go under that roof over there. If you ever been here, now you know where we're at. Something to consider. This ride, the seat is not as wide. Simply also when the lap bar goes down, and I'll show it to you guys once we ride it. It just basically, if you have like wide hips, it basically squeeze, and you know, big thighs like I do, it squeeze them. It's just it's very narrow. That's the only part that I don't like, right?
Yeah, out of most of the rides, this is like the tighter fit.
Yeah, it's very tight. Do you feel tight? I know that you feel better than I do, but
I still feel like it's tighter than other rides. Like I don't feel tight, but I feel like I have less room.
oh, okay. We'll show it to you guys in a few minutes. All right, so we made it here. How long did it take us, Karen?
23 minutes.
23 minutes, but I want to be fair. Our cast member works on magic. Yeah, they did a magic moment with us. They just randomly selected us, right, Karen?
Yeah, just put us ahead.
Put us in the front, which I'm not complaining about that. However, I can tell you right now, from where she put us, and we might have another like a good 10 minutes. So if you add those 10 minutes, it would be 32 minutes out of the 45 minutes.
So it wasn't 45, but
it's still at 30. Let's say half an hour.
And while we were making the line jumped to 70 minutes.
70 minutes. All because the fireworks were done. Yes. I'm telling you.
So again, if you give me multiple days, 1 day for fireworks and parade, 1 day for rides.
That's best advice. And now we're about to board. So we're basically gonna show you guys. You see how narrow the seat is. So Karen, go ahead and put your lap bar right there. Karen, if you could do me a favor, hold it over there for me. I want you guys to realize that, you see?
It's tight.
It's very tight. And
Lift up on your lap bar. Hold on. Yes,
that's all I could do.
Sorry, I tipped you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so at this point, this is squeezing me right here.
Oh.
Going back to the subject, guys, it is super, super tight. Notice how my legs are all squeezed. Karen,
It's tight. It's a tight.
look,
it's a tight
look,
line.
they untie me now. I have to like push it out. So it is extremely tight. Now, it's not as hard to stand up, but it is, it could be problematic. All right, family, we're out of 7 Dwarf Mine Train. That was extremely tight.
It's really tight.
Like,
it's a tight ride.
I think I had complained about this before in previous videos, and now that I'm doing this video for you guys, I'm realizing how tight it was. And
It's a ride that, like for us, I think usually we go with one of the kids. Like we split.
yeah,
So it's a little bit more room.
but not really, because all that is doing is squeezing.
Shoulder.
Yeah, shoulder, yeah. But all that is doing is just like squeezing your thighs. I don't know. It's also the way that you position your legs. But it was rough. Anyways, now we're looking to see if we could do at least 1 or 2 more rides for the night, and then we're gonna continue with this series of attractions, you know.
Yeah, we definitely can't cover it all in 1 day, so we have to do multiple.
Yeah, I put a poll out in our Disney group for plus size and more, and a lot of you voted they want to see every single ride. But keep in mind that for us to do every single ride, it will take us a few days or a few videos. It will be a whole series of videos. So
Well, even like with the wait times that they are, we're going into our busy season too.
yeah, and we want to do them, but unfortunately, I cannot do it by myself. I need Karen, because she could actually, she could actually film different angles for me and all that. So just know that they're coming. It will be a little bit slower, but they're coming. But anyways, we're gonna check now Haunted Mansion, just because I'm done for little roller coasters now.
He's old. You can't take that many.
I'm too old, so let's go for something smoother.
6 minutes. No, I can tell you.
I take that over the 30 minutes.
We still have another, but it's not gonna be obviously good.
Nah, it will be total. It will be a good maybe 20 minutes. So this definitely was not 30 minutes. Thank goodness.
Watch your step.
All right, friends. So this is the Doombog. As you can see, it has a lot of space.
A lot of space.
A lot. You don't even have to do anything. Just enjoy your time. And as you can see,
Plenty of space.
all this space right here, we feel comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Thumbs up. So that was it, guys. It's not as hard as you would think.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys. So there you have it here from the Magic Kingdom. I hope we were able to help you out. Sorry that we couldn't do more. You know, it's very late. But at least we gave you like, I want to say three major.
Three of the major ones, yeah.
3 out of like maybe 4 or 5 out of the major rides here in the park. We will be back. We promise you we're going to try to do every single one of the rides here at the Magic Kingdom like many of you have requested. We're going to show it to you in the future. Just give us some time because it's a lot.
There are a lot here, especially here.
It's a lot, but bottom line, at least you know that for the most part, everybody should be able to fit. What do you think?
Yeah, everybody, like, there's usually not a big issue here at Disney of whether or not you can ride. Some are going to be more comfortable than others, but you should still be able to ride just about everything, if not everything.
Yeah, like I still feeling my knee squeeze from 7 Dwarf Mine Train, but hey, it is what it is. But anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed this adventure. Sadly, this adventure has ended, but with that said, we got to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button, share that bell for notifications.
Bing, and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And see, I'll see you guys next match.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
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 See ya.
Bye.